Hello strugglers, welcome to SB Study Point. Today we are starting English grammar classes. This is our first video of English grammar. In this video, I'm going to explain articles or use of articles. After watching this video, you may ask your problems, your doubts, your queries regarding the use of articles. So let's know what are articles. Articles are determiners that qualify nouns. They are three in numbers: a, an, and the. Remember, there are many determiners, but articles are only three. They are always used before nouns. They make it clear whether we are referring to something in general or particular. Now, read the following sentences. Do you have a packet of colors? I saw a big elephant walking on the road. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak. She has seen a big blue whale in the sea. He has an extreme amazing power of reading the stars. Now you may notice in all these sentences before nouns there are adjectives. So whenever adjective is before noun, we use articles according to adjective, and we use article before adjectives. Then we write noun. Don't use article just before noun. We use article before adjective. As you can see in the above sentences, you have noticed that there is an adjective before the noun in second sentence and two adjectives before the noun in third and fourth sentence. Now see the categories of articles. We have three articles which are divided into two categories. The indefinite articles, which are a and an. Second is definite articles, which is only one, that is the. Now let's know what is the definite article. There is only one definite article, that is the. We use the to point out a special or particular noun. Read the given sentences. This is the book I was talking about. Second sentence. The boys who live nearby are engineers. In the above sentences, book and boys are specific things. So, the is used before these words. Because in the first sentence, the book refers to a specific book. The one I was talking about, not just any book. And in the second sentence, when we say the boys, we mean specific boys who live nearby and who are engineers. So, these nouns are specific. So, we used the before these nouns. Now, read these sentences and try to understand better. She has the pen that I like most. In this sentence, the is used before pen because the pen is a specific thing in this sentence. Read second sentence. Keep the books in your bag. In this sentence, someone is talking about particular books, not any books, but some particular books. So, the is here to specify the books. Next sentence, the children play in the field. In this sentence, children and field are specific things. See the fourth sentence. My father gave me a watch. The watch is very expensive. Now see, we use the before noun that becomes special when we mentioned it second time also. And in this sentence, we use watch second time also. So, watch is a specific thing. Read the fifth sentence. The Khanas will come for dinner tomorrow. Here we use the before the name to specify a whole family. Now read next sentence. The Ganga is a holy river. We use the before the names of oceans, river, mountains, historical monuments and special things which are only one in the world. For example, we always say the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Himalayas, the Indian Ocean, the sun, the moon, the Sun Temple, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, and so on. We use the for the specific things. Now, thank you so much. Keep learning. Take care. Have a nice day.